Now you may be wondering why on earth I'm showing you a bottle of whiskey. You're probably asking, what has he got to celebrate? Well, I've actually got a idea. Now I collect bottles and I wanted to put the bottles on the walls. I've been thinking of a way to put my drinks on the wall of the bar, and but I don't want shelves. I want them like floating off the wall. And I've come up with an idea. If I say so myself, it's clever. Because this is my bar. We're currently working on the bar, getting it all ready for tiling. But these tiled walls, right? I want to float the bottles without using shelves. So I come up with this. This here is the things that they use on push bikes. So I'm going to screw it to the wall like that, all right? And in between the tiles, I might have a center one as well. I'm still measuring it all up. But I need over 100 of these things. And when I keep on ordering them, they keep on saying, why do I order so many? Now, this bottle of whiskey here fits in like that and gets screwed to the wall. Now the good thing is, you get the optics, they're ready to go. You've got to admit, it's such a clever idea. I guarantee when I put this out on YouTube, others will be copying the same idea. These little bracket things only cost 41 pesos, less than $1. I expect you can pick them up anywhere around the world for less than $1. But yeah, I reckon it'd be interesting. Just got to get some good screws and some good tocks, as they call them, or plugs, to screw them up.